Hello and welcome to Steps to Maths. Today in functions we're going to be using our calculator and figuring out how to use it to show functions. So modern calculators now are very good at doing functions, so we're going to use our calculator a lot for doing functions. We're not going to work it out by hand like we used to. So this is the Casio FX85 GT Plus. It's a fairly common one, and you'll have to figure out how to use your own calculator, but many of them will be similar to this. Now, in order to put a function into your calculator, we need to change the mode. We can see here, just at this button here, there's the word mode. So to get that, we press that button and it gives us different modes. The mode that we're looking for is table, because we want a table of values from our function. So to get that, we press the button 3 and it gives us a function. So it says f of x is equal to, and then you type in whatever your function happens to be. Now I'm going to type in the function 5x plus 2. To do that, I type 5. To get an x, I want the letter x, which is here, the red one. And to get the red one, I'm going to click on alpha x, and as you can see, that gives me 5x. Then to get plus 2, I just type in the buttons and I press plus 2. When I'm happy with that, I press equals and it'll ask me where I want to start. So the start is, where do you want to begin? What's the smallest number in your domain? In this particular question, I'm going to have a domain from 1 to 7. So I'm going to begin at the number 1, so that's okay, and I press equals to enter that. I want to end at the number 7, so I press 7 and change it to 7 by pressing equals. Step asks you, how big do we want each step to be? I want to start at 1, then go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alternatives, you could start at 1 and go 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going up in steps of 1. So a step of 1 is fine by me, and I hit equals again. And then straight away, there you go. There's your table of values. It gives the x value on the left hand side. It gives the f of x value on the right hand side. That is your couple. So it says the first couple is 1, 7. 1, 7. The second couple is 2, 12. The third couple is 3, 17. 422, 527, 632, 737, and as you can see there's no 8 because my domain finished at 7. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you need to figure that out again, go through that again and you'll see what you have to do. If you want to type in other functions, let's clear that. Let's say I want 5x minus 2. Just put a minus in there. Let's say I wanted x squared minus 2. Well, in this case, you need to use the squared button, which is here. You can see that there, that's an x squared. So you have the x, you press x squared, and that will give you squared. Okay, so that's all the functions that we're going to be using at the moment. Don't forget, in order to get the letter x, we use the alpha button and the letter x here. Okay, so that's using your calculator. You can create a table of values using that, and it makes it much easier for you to list out the couples. So get some practice and get using your calculator to write out your functions for you.